Is Metatrader 4 legit? What do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. If you're venturing into Forex trading, you've probably heard about Metatrader 4, MT4. I've had my share of experiences with it, and I can tell you that MT4 is definitely a powerful tool for traders. It's been around since 2005, thanks to MetaQuotes Software, and it has become a staple in the trading community. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. What I love about MT4 is how approachable it is for both beginners and seasoned traders. Its interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate and execute trades without feeling overwhelmed. But it's not just about looks. MT4 packs a punch with its features. You get a wide range of charting tools that help you analyze market trends, and its technical analysis capabilities are top-notch. Whether you're tracking price movements or analyzing patterns, MT4 gives you the tools to make informed decisions. One of the standout features for me has been its support for automated trading. With expert advisors, EAs, you can set up automated trading strategies that execute trades on your behalf. This can be a game changer, especially if you want to capitalize on opportunities around the clock without being glued to your screen. However, there's an important lesson I've learned along the way. The platform itself is only as good as the broker you use. MT4 is a fantastic tool, but your trading experience depends heavily on choosing a reputable and regulated broker. It's crucial to do your due diligence when selecting a broker to ensure that they have a solid track record and offer a secure trading environment. By taking the time to research and choose wisely, you can avoid potential pitfalls and make the most of what MT4 has to offer.